everyone, Mike McNeil here with Alcorn Music Studios. This is a lesson maybe for more beginner students, and one of the important things in drumming, in terms of being able to get around the kit and play the patterns and sounds you want, is to be able to play um, different types of hand patterns. If you're always playing alternating right, left, or left, right, you'll eventually kind of run out of room in terms of the ability to move around the kit efficiently and accomplish the patterns and sounds you want, because you might end up in a situation where in order to play the pattern you want around on the order of drums or cymbals you want, your hands have to cross over each other based on the way the kit's set up. So one of the things that breaks this up and really opens the kit up is to be able to play patterns that aren't just right, left, or left, right, where you're just alternating one hand after the other. And so the two, I think, the most important one maybe is the paradiddle, and that's a combination of singles and doubles. But this video is going to be talking about a couple of simpler ones actually, and these are two patterns. So one is right, left. So right, left, and then the opposite one, left, right. And so the idea behind these is, if I wanted to play a 3-note pattern where I play the floor tom, the snare drum, and then the snare drum. So 1 on the floor tom and then 2 on the snare drum. If I played single strokes, alternating my hands, right, left, this is what it would look like. I'm going to do that again. See, you already see the problem. I'm messing up already. So here goes again. So you see my arms are crossing over each other. And that's not wrong, and there's a whole study for learning how to play crossovers, because there might be some things that you just, you might want to play a really, really loud. Like maybe I wanted to play that pattern really, really loud and powerfully, and I need to play single strokes to get it to work. So being able to play crossovers, it can be helpful. It also kind of looks cool sometimes. But the most efficient way musically, or not so much musically, but ergonomically, the most efficient way to do that would be to just not play alternating. Just leave your hands in the same position and go right, left, right, left, right, left. Now my arms don't even have to move. Right? So we went from to just but you notice it's the same pattern. It's still 1 on the floor tom, 2 on the snare drum. Now this gets into issues of technique. To be able to play fast 2 notes in a row, eventually to get it fast enough you have to work on your technique and get your fingers working. And I think this is partially why people avoid this, is they want to stick with the single strokes, but you'll see how fast I can play this. And if I tried to do that with crossovers, you can see how it would be impractical, like. And then if I tried to do that with crossovers, that would be tough. But now you'll see how this really opens up the kit efficient in terms of efficiency. I can move my right hand around the toms, like. And then same thing with the other pattern I mentioned, left, right. Right? And then we apply this all to grooves, being able to move around. If I tried, I had to use mixed stickings in there to get that down, because if I tried to play that all like I was moving around the kit a lot there. So if I was trying to play that all just, I had to play one hand after the other, my arms would be just going everywhere. And it'd be very difficult to control the volume. That's another thing about this type of efficiency is because you're not swinging your arms, having to move your arms around so much, it's easier to keep notes quieter and make some louder because you're not, anytime you move from one drum to another and you have to move your arm, there's a certain amount of momentum that goes in the stick that's hard to control. So, yeah, if you use these mixed stickings, you'll be able to control your dynamics more. And that doesn't mean always playing quiet, but it means being able to play some notes quiet and some loud when you want to. Whereas swinging your arms around, it becomes harder to have that kind of dynamic control. So yeah, start practicing those right, left, left, and left, right, right. Those 2 3-note patterns, and that'll start to kind of give you put you on the right path to some being able to move around the kit better. All right, thanks guys.